Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys the Halloween costume that I made for my daughter Kate. She was a human version of Donald Duck for the costume this year. She likes Donald Duck and she always likes to kind of talk like him. She has that one of those people who knows how to do that. I don't know how she does it, but we thought she'd look really cute in the costume, just mostly because it's a sailor style outfit, and that was really cute. This is a sketch that her sister Audrey made for her of what she thought the costume could look like, and it was just a really cute idea, and she kind of went with it and thought it would be fun to kind of dress up like that. The first big change though was that, like Donald, she did want to actually have long sleeves. So I knew I wanted to try to do that. I wanted to have feathers on the pants, but all the feathers I could find were kind of pathetic, and so I kind of gave up on that idea, just made them white instead. I was able to actually find a really great website that's called drcos.info, and they have tons of free sewing patterns available that are especially directed towards cosplay and stuff like that. So I was able to get all of the patterns for the beret, the sailor collar blouse, and the shorts, which are like a jean beige shorts, from this site. And I'll have the link for all that in the description because they were really great fun, simple patterns that were really easy to follow that were free. So that was really cool. I went ahead and made the blouse and used some yellow ribbon that I found at Daiso, and I had two different kinds of red ribbon that I had prepared because I know Donald's ribbon's more like a bow, whereas this is just more like kind of a simple tie. And then, like I said, the shorts were made with a real loose waist to be just real relaxing and comfortable, that are similar to, it was the same pattern as the Jinbei costume. And then I was looking for yellow socks but couldn't find any, so I found some yellow leg warmers instead. And I also thought it would be funny, of course, to have her wear the duck mask that we have around the house, so we had her do that as well. So it was a lot of fun making this costume this year, so I'll make sure to share the links to the patterns in the description. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!